it's Megan here, and in this video I'll be reviewing my Bissell Little Green Portable Deep Cleaner. This nifty little machine is designed to quickly and easily clean up messes without having to lug around a heavy, bulky carpet cleaner. So today I'm going to be using it for the first time and report my results. Plus, I'm going to share a few things that I've already noticed that you need to know before purchasing. Let's do it.
Let's start with the benefits of the Bissell Little Green. For starters, it's incredibly portable. It's small and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around the house or take with you on the go. Plus, it's perfect for cleaning up messes in tight spaces like stairs or in between furniture. Another great feature of the Little Green is that it's super easy to use. It is designed to take out the toughest stains and messes from carpets and upholstery. So let's see if it can get this dirt off of my light colored chair. Here's the before and here's the after. I am pretty impressed. Now, before you run out and buy the Bissell Little Green, there are a few things you should know. For one thing, it's not designed to replace a full-size carpet cleaner or vacuum. While it's great for spot cleaning and handling small messes, you still need to use a larger machine for deep cleaning carpets or furniture. Also, you need to vacuum your carpets and furniture before using the Little Green. I saw a few reviews that said it didn't have great suction on it, or there was a lot of hair getting stuck inside of the suction, and it's simply not designed to be a full vacuum. It's more designed to get out stains, messes, etc. Additionally, the Bissell Little Green does require some maintenance. You will need to clean the machine out after each use to prevent any buildup of dirt or debris, and you'll also need to replace the filter periodically to keep it running smoothly. I saw a couple of questions about how to clean out the tank, and you can use bleach in the tank to get it nice and clean and prevent any of that buildup from standing in the tank. Overall, I think the Bissell Little Green Portable Deep Cleaner is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their carpets and furniture looking clean and fresh. I also think this would be an awesome thing to have if you own short-term rentals for a quick cleanup from a guest mess. It's easy to use, it's portable, it's powerful. I'm super impressed with the work that it did on my furniture, and it's sure to make your spot cleaning a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!